Welcome to my YouTube channel Education on Trend. So there is an essay about women empowerment. So let's get started. Women empowerment is empowering the women to take their own decisions for their personal development as well as social development. Empowerment of women would mean encouraging women to be self-reliant, independent, have positive self-esteem, general confidence to face any difficult situation and incite active participation in various socio-political development endeavors. In the ancient times, women were treated very badly by family and society. They were not given education and were only restricted to doing household tasks. They were kept completely oblivious of their rights and development. Women make up half of the country, so in order to make the country an entirely powerful country, women empowerment is very necessary. There are various ways in how one can empower women. The individuals and government must both come together to make it happen. Education for girls must be made compulsory so that women can become literate to make a life for themselves. Women must be given equal opportunities in every field, irrespective of gender. Moreover, they must also be given equal pay. We can also empower women by eliminating child marriages in India, which is commonly conducted in village areas. Various programs must be conducted where they can be given the ability to defend themselves in case they face financial crisis. Most importantly, the shame of divorce and abuse must be thrown out of the window. Many women stay in abusive relationships because of their fear of society. Parents must teach their daughters it is okay to come home divorce rather than in a coffin. Women empowerment in the truest sense will be achieved only when there is attitudinal change in society with regard to women folk, treating them with proper respect, dignity, fairness and equal.